Okay, as the initial step, you have to disconnect all the external drives like USB drives, printers, external keyboard kind of things. Then after, restart your computer and check if it is working or not. If it is not working, you have to enter the Windows recovery environment and boot into the safe mode. To do that, first shut down your PC by holding the power button, turn it on and repeat the shutdown process 2 to 3 times until the Windows RE is loaded. That means Windows recovery environment. Once it is appear, you have to choose the troubleshoot option. Then after, go to advanced options and startup setting, restart. Once your computer is restarted, press 4 or F4 key in your keyboard to boot into the safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, it's like this graphical interface. So you have to uninstall recently installed Windows software or drivers. So as an example, you can go to start menu and setting. In the website menu, scroll down and go to Windows Update. Tap on Update History. Scroll down, tap on Uninstall Updates. Select the latest update you installed recently. Tap on Uninstall button will be appear right here. Just tap on it to uninstall that one. Same thing you need to do the drivers also. Right click on the start menu, go to Device Manager. As an example, if you install latest display driver, right click on the driver, tap on uninstall, tick this one, tap on uninstall and restart the computer. So try to figure out the problem is fixed or not. If it is not, you have to run this startup repair. To do that, first you need to come to the Windows recovery environment as previous step. Then after, choose the troubleshoot, go to advanced options and startup repair. Select your user account and enter the password if it is asked. So then after, Windows will be try to fix boot related problems automatically. Once it is fixed, you can try to log in again. If it is not working, you have to again come to the Windows recovery environment and go to advanced troubleshoot, advanced option and command prompt. Once you open the command prompt, you have to type chkdsk -c -- that means the Windows installation drive /f/r/x. Hit enter. This will check the disk errors and fix the issues. And again, you can type bootrec /fix boot on the command prompt and try to it will repair the boot sector and fix the boot loop kind of errors. And as a final step, you can again come to the Windows recovery environment and select troubleshoot option, go to advanced options and select go back to the previous build. This will uninstall recent update and maybe it will help to cause boot problems. So these are the methods you can try to fix the Windows 11 stuck on starting problems. And other than that, you can reset your RAM cards by just cleaning them and again plug into your computer. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.